I'm going to show you how to bisect line segments and angles. Bi means two, so bisect means to cut something in two. So we're going to cut them in half. And you want to take the non-drawing part of your compass and put it on one end of the line segment. And then you're going to, and this is the hardest part, it's making your compass behave. You're going to draw a half circle or a semicircle that goes on both sides of the line. No, my compass isn't behaving. Okay, so you see I've got a half circle there, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the non-drawing part on the other end, and I'm going to draw another semicircle or half circle. Okay, if you can see it, I know it's really faint, but it looks, there's a half circle here and a half circle here. It looks kind of like a fish with two tails. Okay, now to bisect your line, you're going to connect the places where those two semicircles intersect. So line your ruler up where the two semicircles intersect and make a line. And that bisects the line. So don't try to do it with a ruler, please. Try to do it with your compass. So you make a two-tailed fish and you cut it in half. Now we're going to do it with a line. With an angle. And what you do when you're bisecting an angle is you want to put the point of your compass, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. We're going to put the point of the compass in the vertex. This where the two rays meet is called the vertex, and you can remember vertex starts with a V, and it looks like the bottom of a V. So put the non-drawing point of your compass in the vertex, and you're going to draw a semicircle that cuts through both rays. Okay? So when you have I'm going to do this in a different color so it's easier to see. So now I've got a semicircle that cuts through both rays of the angle, both of the lines that leave the angle. Now I'm going to put my non-drawing part of my compass where that semicircle intersects one of these rays. And I'm going to draw another arc or semicircle up at the top. And my pencil slipped. But you can see that green line right there. Now I'm going to do the other thing where the arc intersected the other ray. And I'm going to draw another semicircle. And I just barely made one of them long enough so that you can see where they intersect. See where the two semicircles intersect. Then you're going to connect where they intersect with the vertex. And I didn't draw a very good line, but that's how you bisect an angle. Okay, so draw one semicircle that goes through both rays of the angle, then put your point where it intersects that semicircle and draw another semicircle up here. Put the point where it intersects this ray and draw another semicircle up here, and then where those two semicircles intersect, connect that with the vertex. Done.